guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the September Glossybox. As always, I get these every month and I love them, I really do. Some months are not great, then you get some months that are brilliant. You get loads of amazing products in here. So it is basically a little treat to yourself every month. Now, I will pop in the description box below for the Glossybox website and the prices, and I will leave on the screen as well a little clip of what Glossybox looks like and how much the boxes are, and you can choose a plan that suits you as well. So if you have a budget in mind, you can just sort out the plan that suits your budget, so you don't have to go over or you don't have to go under. You can choose the plan that actually suits you, and if you've had enough and you don't want to pay anymore, you can cancel at any time as well. You don't get charged for having a cancel fee, so you can cancel at any time that you like. Now, this is the September box. Obviously, you've got a few more boxes for the end of the year. I'm not sure if they're going to do like a little mini Christmas one like they did last year. If they do, I want to try and get my hands on it. I think that might be like the limited edition for either November or December, but I want to try and get my hands on it. Anyway, let's unbox this month's box. So as always, you open it up and you see the ribbon and the tissue paper, and this is called the Autumn Glow. Obviously the little card is actually stuck to the tissue paper, but this is called the Autumn Glow, and I've already sneak peeked in here, and I've now, because this arrived actually a couple of days ago now, so yeah, I've already sneak peeked and I can't remember what kind of products are in here, but I'm going to show you without tipping what the products it looks like. I will show you one by one as well, but yeah, let's show you what products are actually inside. The first product we have is a Saint Lux setting spray. Now, the only Saint Lux product that I've got, I think, is an eyebrow pencil. I've not actually got the setting spray, so I hope that's good. I've got loads of setting sprays, I've got loads of everything actually, but yeah, it looks quite good. I've never tried the Saint Lux one, so hopefully that is brilliant. Then we have a Mud Masky Vitamin C infused scalp serum. Now, I've used Mud Masky products before because I used to have a face mask from it and it's like a serum sort of thing. Do you know when you do like a face mask and then you pop like serum on? It's like a after mask serum sort of thing, but this is obviously for your scalp. So yeah, I will try this out and give it a go, see what it's like. Then we have a sheet mask, a Youth Lab brightening sheet mask. I love a good sheet mask. Now, I think you guys are probably know by now, but Garnier ones are my ultimate favourite sheet masks. I absolutely love them. You get them all in different scents. I love every single one of them, but my favourite has to be that little baby pink one. I can't remember what it's called now, but it's a baby pink one, and I do love the nighttime ones as well. Do you know what? I love them all. I love all the sheet masks that the Garnier does. I love the Garnier under eye masks as well that they do. I love them as well. And I've still got to try out. I keep saying this, but every time I get a Garnier sheet mask, I keep saying to myself, right, I'm going to put it in the fridge, make it nice and cold, and see if I can feel the difference, but I keep forgetting. But we have a vitamin C sheet mask here. So this can go to my collection of sheet masks that I have. Then just a couple of more products to show you. Now, I've got another one of these. So these are the testers of the liquid IV hydration drinks sachets, and this is in the strawberry flavour. I had one last month and it was the pomegranate. I think it's either pomegranate or summer fruits or something. But other people might like this, but personally I don't like it. It's to me, I think it's absolutely vile. I will not drink this. I'll either give it away or just bin it. But yeah, you get one of them in this month's box as well. Then the last two products I have, we have a MUA Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Heartbreaker. Now, I love MUA products. I think I've got about 3 or 4 of them, but they're really nice. Look how red that is. Do you know what? This kind of red reminds me of like Christmas Day or Valentine's Day. So it's a nice MUA liquid lipstick. And then the last product we have in this box, I'm saving till last because I absolutely love it. It's my favourite product of all time, and I'm now and truly stocked up with this product because I've not only got it in this box, but I've got some already and some in my advent calendar. And it is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I love this product, I really do. I don't use it all the time because LMS is quite expensive anyway, so I don't use it all the time. I only use it like every now and again because LMS is one expensive brand. If you guys would have seen my LMS, I don't know if you guys, yeah, I think you probably would have by now, the LMS advent calendar. Now the advent calendar costs £199. So can you imagine how much individual product it is worth alone, like full size, and let alone a travel size? But yeah, I absolutely love LMS products. They all smell insane, and yeah, I just absolutely love them. My favourite ones has got to be the cleansing balm and the marine cream. I love them to bits, especially the cleansing balm. If you've got like loads of makeup on your face, or you've just got really oily skin tone and you need a good cleanse, then a good LMS cleansing balm is the one for you. Any cleansing balm really, but LMS cleansing balm really works for me. It makes my skin so nice and soft. But yeah, we got Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So guys, this is all the products that I received in my Glossybox September box. I absolutely love most of the products. I think the only thing that I won't be using is obviously this, but I will obviously try that out, see how red that is. Obviously the sheet mask I'm definitely going to use. I'm going to try the scalp mask as well, and 100% use the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream for 100%, and try and give the Saint Lux setting spray a go as well and see how that is. So guys, that has been my September Glossybox unboxing. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will list everything you need to know about the Glossybox in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. I've got so many more videos coming up your way, obviously more Christmas advent calendars to show you guys. Obviously I've got some more holiday bits to purchase and show you. What else is there? Obviously we've got the pack away the Halloween video, and obviously all the Christmas videos as well, which I'm so excited. Also I've got my birthday coming up as well, so yeah, got plenty more videos coming up your way guys, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned because you do not want to miss any of it. So guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.